Good morning everyone. Myself Abhinay Singh of class 9 of PM Sri Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Nagpur. I have selected for regional level 51st Rashtriya Bal Vidyalik Pradarshini RBVP for children 2024 at theme of Science and Technology for Society. My model name is Smart Mix Farming under subtheme Agriculture. So I am now introducing my project. As India's student population is primarily dependent on agriculture and most of them are practicing subsistence farming. By doing it, it doesn't have many economical conditions can grow by farmer and it doesn't affect the country's economic condition. But if we do smart mix farming, the economic condition of the farmer can also increase and countries as well. So it is a type of commercial farming which is already practiced in Australia and USA. But I have made an innovative idea. I have divided the farm into four parts. As you can see, farm 1, 2, 3 and 4. The farm 1 and 3 will have same crop and farm 2 and 4 will have. But they will have different harvesting time. And by doing that, the farmer will have an fodder for the livestock which it will have. And if any case of any drought or non effect which occurring in 4 to 5 year every year in 4 to 5, it also have benefit that overall the farmer will have any farm already in use and other will be destroyed in case of any drought. And it can also use for the remaining parts of the plant can use as a fodder. And this is in increasing order of area because the animals will also increase in number throughout the year, and after a year the farmer can sell them or use again in the farm. And I have used solar panel and windmills, but it can also be used very future term, that it is a long term investment. The solar panel can be expensive, but it can use to 30 to 40 years. And I have made a biogas chamber that all farmers didn't make it, but it can be very good for farmer itself in home and it can sell to government. And I have installed drip irrigation, which is most advanced irrigation system because it has very efficiently water use. It doesn't waste any water. And by practicing this smart mix farming, the farmer didn't go to any to take loan to other and will not go to government to take subsidies. And this smart mix farming will affect the farm and will make change in the farming practices in India and will make an effect to change and to increase GDP of India, and also will good for farmer itself. And I have installed water harvesting and drip irrigation and biogas. And in case of any if the farmer is living in any cold area like in northern India, Jammu Kashmir and other area, he can also install greenhouse for the if the sunlight is not very coming. And overall this is very good for a farmer, and it will change the future of India's average farmer. Thank you.